In front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Devices settings. Then click on Bluetooth section over here and click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on. Now just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. Now select pair in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, the other device accepted my connection request and my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, just click on the device and tap on Unpair. You can always connect to the same one by tapping on it and choosing Pair one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!